Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert text outline in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show insert text outline. Firstly, going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a draw text box. Now draw a text box. Now write for me. Any text. Now select from a text. Now text font size. Now apply for a bold option. Now click for a text fill option, then choose color. Now click for a text outline option, then choose color, and click for a again text outline, then click for a white option. Now click for repeat. That's it. Then we show insert text outline in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.